Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on June the 3rd, 2019. Mexico sets to begin talks with Washington. Aiming to prevent from penalty tariffs announced by U.S. President Donald Trump, a senior Mexican delegation was set to begin high-level talks on Monday in Washington, where it will be pushed to do more to hold back Central American migrants. Trump says he will apply tariffs of 5% on the Mexican goods on June the 10th and increase the rate in coming month to 25% if Mexico does not stop illegal immigration across the U.S. Mexican border, which is at a decade high this year. The U.S. Mexican talks begin on Monday with a meeting between Mexican Economy Secretary Graciela Marquez and U.S. Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross. On Wednesday, Ebrard meets U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo. Infineon to contract Cypress Semiconductors. Infineon, German maker of power management chips used in cars, smartphones, and wind turbines, said on Monday that they have agreed to buy American company Cypress Semiconductors in a deal for €9 billion, $10.1 billion. The cash offer of $23.85 per share represents a 46% premium to Cypress's share price over the last month. The acquisition will draw cost synergies of €180 million per year by 2022 and revenue synergies of more than €1.5 billion in the long term, Infineon said. The board of directors of Cypress and the Infineon supervisory board have already consented to the acquisition, which is expected to close in late 2019 or in early 2020. Donald Trump will visit UK to discuss trade issues. Donald Trump will land in UK on Monday to discuss trade issues, including post-Brexit trade deal, involvements in the NHS, and permission Chinese tech giant Huawei to build parts for 5G network. May called the visit a significant week for the special relationship and an opportunity to further strengthen our already close partnership. She stressed the need to build closer trading ties. We are the largest investors in each other's economies, and our strong trading relationship and close business links create jobs, opportunities, and wealth for our citizens, she said. The U.S. ambassador, who is a close friend to U.S. President, said every area of the UK economy would be up for discussion when the two sides brokered the trade deal. Oil prices down on concerns of economic slowdown. Oil prices declined by around 1% on Monday, extending losses of over 3% from Friday, when crude markets fell to their biggest monthly losses in 6 months, amid freezing demand as the trade war stirred fears of a global economic slowdown. Brent crude futures international benchmark decreased 71 cents or 1.1% to $61.28 per barrel, that was below Friday's close. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures were at $53.09 per barrel, down 41 cents or 0.8% from their last mark. Oil prices slide on fresh trade worries about U.S. President Donald Trump stoked global trade tensions by threatening tariffs on Mexico, which is one of the largest U.S. trade partners and a major supplier of crude oil. Milton Fernando, investment analyst at Australian Rifkin Securities, said in a note on Monday.